Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, designer and editor here at Sallie Tomato. We are winding down on our 2025 Advent Box as we open day 23. Day 23. If you're not in the holiday spirit by now, this item will surely get you there. Use this with the day 24 and day 25 items. Today's gift adds a classic and elegant finishing touch to your projects. Today's items include 1 yard of burgundy or beige or brown zipper tape with antique nylon coils and 1 package of brand new antique bow zipper pulls, which you can use for an upcoming project. These zippers and pulls are perfect for making small projects and adding professional details to handbags, pouches, or accessories. The antique finish gives a polished, classic touch to any of your handmade holiday projects. We can't wait to see how you finish your creations using this beautiful new hardware. I hope you enjoyed today's item and that inspires you. I think it's one of my favorites. Sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent Box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can be inspired by you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always time to have a great making day.